like one's like flying up and the other one, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm on my way, y'all. I'm on my way to get my hair done by Star Hair. She has her own line of hair. So I'm gonna give y'all a review. I've heard great things about her hair. She has done my hair before. When I went to Jamaica, she did my braids, but she don't braid anymore. But she's a really good hairstylist. She was a great braider as well. Sorry, y'all. I done been here before. She has a shoe store. I can't remember the name, but I'll put it when I get there at the bottom for y'all. And she sells hats and purses and stuff like that. So.
You must ain't noticed this big green building.
Girl, I don't know why. I'm like, I don't think it's this far.
What? How did you guys still working? They ain't been working. I don't understand.
All right, y'all. So I have made it to Star. This is the wig that she's gonna install today. You can find her. Let me see if I get it close. You can find her on Instagram. It's at Star Hair, STARR_hair. She's scary, y'all.
TDMS.
Me twice.
TDMS. TDMS.
Me twice.
All right, y'all. So when I tell y'all, this is the best lace front that I've had. As I said before, this ain't my thing, so I don't do them. I stick to my lane. You know, I make my little closure wigs here and there. I'll put a lace on myself every now and then, but baby, what y'all say? What lace? What? Oh, okay. What? Yes, my girl did that. Y'all holler at her like seriously, like what? Period. Yes, Star did that. And like I say, y'all, she sells hair. She's a great, I'm gonna put a clip in when I went to Bahamas and she braided my hair. Like, it was so cute. But my dog don't like braiding no more. So y'all, she got a YouTube channel, but she be hiding, y'all. So I'm trying to bring her on out, because she with the bull. So many talents, like, you know, some of those people that just be so talented. She's one of them, a natural, like she got a natural. And this ain't just because of promo. I already knew she was a good stylist, but she had never did a lace on me. You know, I've seen pictures, but you know, y'all know how pictures is, honey. Them laces be looking good on the pictures, and then when you get it, be like, oh no, filter off, oh okay, flash off, oh yeah, okay, now we see. So y'all holler at my dog, like she slayed me, honey. I'm finna be Snapchatting it up today. Cause y'all know you gotta put the little filter, little Snapchat filter or whatever. Yeah! Have my husband flick it up, little he know. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, ring that bell to get future notifications. I love you guys so TDMS.